Welcome back to the Daily Hack, a 5-minute practice with the Hacky Sack. Today I'm going to show you the toe kick, and I'm going to break down 2 variations that I use in my kicking practice. The first variation, the knee drive toe kick, is super similar to that knee kick that we went over in a past Daily Hack video. Now the only difference here is I'm going to make sure that I'm flexing my toe back towards my shin, my knee, and then when I drive that knee up, I'm going to kick it off the toe. What I like about this kick is it allows you to have a lot more control with that toe kick, especially if the bag is getting closer to the body. So just like we practice with a bunch of other stuff, with the kicks, we're just going to kick, catch, kick, catch, kick, catch, kick, catch, alternating each time so you can work on both sides. As you build confidence, guess what we're gonna do? Surprise, surprise, we're gonna add a kick. One thing I do like, I'm gonna mention this right now, is just a baby hinge here that allows me to access my hip, and I also can see the bag hit my foot. Toss it up, right, left, catch, left, right, catch, right, left, catch, left, right, catch. And then you keep going. So add another kick, right, left, right, catch, left, right, left, catch, right, left, right, catch, left, right, left, catch. Keep it going if you can. Sticking with that knee drive. Let me try to turn a little bit for you. You can see I've got a little bit of that hinge so I can stay in the hip. Keep seeing the bag hit my foot. Now we're going to go into that standard toe kick. So if the bag is traveling further away from you, you've got to be able to extend that leg out and either pop it up or kick it back to you. So when that bag goes far away, I kick it, catch, kick it, catch, catch. You can also try it closer to the body. Just play with extending that leg out, finding the bag, and popping it back to you. If you've got that down and you want to challenge your coordination more, add that second kick. Catch. Catch. And keep it going. Or at least attempt to. And of course, you could stay focused to one of those toe kick variations, or just start to freestyle, mix them up, maybe throw some knees in there. Start building up that confidence, building up that attention span rather, and maybe a little sweat too. So that is the daily hack. Hope you had fun with those toe kick variations. Phone overheated on me, but we're back. Let me know how that one went for you in the comments below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We will be back with more. I'll see you next time. Stay smooth.